Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna start working the bench 1932 Chevy. This is gonna be the first video to show you the way the bench came. This is the original seat, 90 years old bench. So what we're gonna do is we have to take everything apart. The whole thing has to come apart. All these pieces that is rusted, we're gonna sand it and clean it, and then we will paint it. I don't know if you can see how it was before, down in the 30s. They used tacks all around, tacks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove everything. We're gonna replace the taco strip. We were gonna do with staples. We're not gonna use tacks. They have over here the cotton. Inside, they used to call this, or we call hair hose. Everything has to come out. So the only thing what we're gonna reuse is the springs, the frame, and we're gonna do a couple of upgrades. We're gonna change the style. We're gonna do two tones. It's gonna be gray and charcoal gray. So eventually I'm gonna make like 2 or 3 videos. First thing I show you the first video, so you can see the way it came. All dried out. Here is the material. I didn't take it apart yet, but this is the two materials here, the charcoal and the gray. So keep in touch. I'm gonna be posting more videos about this bench, and eventually I will post a video of the whole car when the car is 100% completed done. Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good day.